If you're not a fan of super salty ham, you may be able to remove some of the extra salt by soaking the ham before you cook it. Remove the ham from its package and place it in a large container of cold, fresh water. Cover the container with a lid or aluminum foil and place it in the fridge for at least 2 to 4 hours and up to 72 hours total to soak out the salt. If you plan to soak the ham for longer than 4 hours, try to change out the water every 2 hours or so to prevent bacterial buildup. When you're ready to cook the ham, rinse it thoroughly with cold, fresh water to remove salt from the surface. If your ham is still too salty after soaking, cut it into chunks and boil it for 10 minutes. This will be sure to get any remaining salt out. You can also mask the salty flavor of ham by serving it with cheese, sour cream, or a splash of lemon juice or vinegar.